Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday morning. And it looks like we're off and running what's going to be a nice day. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill coming to you from the KGW Weather Center on this Thursday morning. By the way, there's still at least a chance that a spotty shower will pop from this low cloud deck that came in last night on the backside of the low that produced the rain on Wednesday. However, with that said, cameras are already breaking up the low cloudiness more quickly than I thought. So it's certainly possible that today simply goes forward to be partly cloudy and very nice. You can see the camera early this morning from the Portland Spirit in downtown Portland and the Tillicum Crossing. And then I also wanted to point out that thanks to the cooler weather that returned, certainly Sunday, Monday, Tuesday of this week, and then the rain we had yesterday, the air quality numbers are back to being generally good across all of Oregon and Washington. And for example, the camera out at Aspen Lakes Golf Course and Sisters, there you can see the Three Sisters right there. And you can see the blue sky. This was very smoky before yesterday's rain. So again, visual evidence of the air quality improving statewide. I do have several scattered shower chances I'm tracking, including going into the weekend. I want to make it clear that the next time I see a chance for a widespread soak is Tuesday of next week. And that's what I have here on the right. You can see a front coming. This will be Tuesday morning. And right here right here is Portland PDX. Again, I know the map is hard to see, but you see the kind of brown outlines. There's the Oregon coast, there's the California border. And then this green is total moisture saturation up through 10,000 feet in the atmosphere. Definitely doesn't guarantee it's going to be rain, but these are the type of moisture belts that we see when they're uniform like this and are along a surface front that you typically have a decent chance to get some hours of widespread steady rain. That's coming in Tuesday of next week. So we'll keep an eye on all of that. Okay. Quick shout out locally to the Momentous Wealth podcast, the sponsor of my YouTube videos. Again, you can listen on Apple Podcasts and on Spotify, a number of investment topics for you to listen to and gain some insight. Okay, let's talk about what we got going. A mixed bag of clouds. Again, putting this video down. It's coming up on 9:30 on this Thursday morning. There's Tillamook Head and Seaside, still cloudy there, but get out to the gorge. There's Cathedral Ridge Windings, partly cloudy. The Willamette Valley, the Dundee Hills, and just south of Salem at Willamette Valley, the clouds are starting to break somewhat. So I think this is a day where we gradually just see increasing sun, increasing sun, increasing sunshine. And the coast, here's the inn at Ottercrest, eventually I think has a good chance just to clear out today. So all systems should be go for pretty nice weather. Radar is picking up. There's north of Portland. There's just the chance of maybe some traceable amounts of rain showers. Again, that is in the forecast just there, so you're not surprised if we feel a raindrop, but that's all that would end up being. The rain that's been out in eastern Oregon is now already starting to shift mostly into Idaho. And again, that's the back edge of the rain system that we had yesterday. This is the active upper level contouring map. And where you see the trough, just follow my cursor. There, that trough that was on top of us yesterday, you see this pushing east is now anchored over Idaho. Here's ridging taking place during the day today and into tomorrow. It's going to bring some dry weather and some nice weather. But then you can see one low here, and you can see what's going to be a developing low back here and a third one back here. So this overall in the Pacific, here's an upper level high. So I'm looking at this storm flow riding over the high, coming down from the northwest that will feed us several disturbances and ongoing scattered shower chances starting Friday night and continuing through our weekend. Again, none of that looks to be a whole lot to me, but if you have plans, you want to know when there's the chance of some wetting going on or not. Here's the European upper level map, and we'll use this to kind of highlight the timing of these weather systems. So midday today, here's the upper level low that brought us rain yesterday. Didn't get as much as we thought. I think PDX picked up 13/100ths of an inch, and some of the heavier amounts here on the west side of Oregon were generally not much more than a quarter of an inch. Anyway, that low is now over into Montana this morning. And then right back in here is the ridging that's moving in. So there's our dry weather tonight, our dry Friday. By the way, could be chilly temperatures. If we clear out tonight, we could have parts of the Willamette Valley Friday morning in the upper 40s with fog. So that's something that I'm watching. Now, here is Friday evening. See, the ridging is flattened. See, this is ridging. See where the contours arc upwards? This is the flattening or zonal flow coming in as quickly as Friday evening. A little bit of energy in the upper levels of the atmosphere. and there's at least a chance of a shower Friday evening overnight, and the chance of some showers on Saturday. Now, the next system that looks organized whatsoever that would give us a bounce in the number of showers and the chance of scattered showers is Saturday evening, overnight, and Sunday morning. You can see this little trough coming in. This is Saturday evening. This is Saturday overnight. That's a good chance of scattered showers. Saturday overnight, Sunday morning, a good chance you wake up Sunday morning and there are showers on the radar. Now, here's an upper level low up here. There's a trailing disturbance down into California. So the system kind of splits up during the day Sunday. Again, upper level low to our north, disturbance into California to our south. This is midday Sunday. So it's hard to tell how many showers, but will there be scattered showers on the radar Sunday? I think absolutely yes. And then there's that system dropping down toward the Bay Area of California Sunday overnight into Monday. So the weather models on Monday, this is Monday morning, have really backed off on shower chances, and they're starting to like a dry day with all of the rain being in southern Oregon or even down into California and Nevada with this upper level low. So Monday's a day, if you have plans, it's tending to be more and more dry. And then I mentioned Tuesday's rain. So this is the latest modeling. First time I've seen this. This is Tuesday night now going, yeah. So here's that next weather system. So if this is true, Tuesday morning could be dry and we would see developing rain, maybe the back half of Tuesday into Tuesday night, but there's still a good chance that there's a period of some soaking rain somewhere in there. Maybe it's not until late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning, but that's the next chance for a rain soak that wouldn't be scattered showers, but would be in fact soaking rain. Same European model. This is this afternoon. Now it's showing that there's a chance of some scattered shower activity over the Cascades. I think this is overdone. And what's out here is mainly what has fallen this morning out over the blues. So notice Portland at 0.03. So just keep your eye on that. As long as that number doesn't change, there's no rain chance. Here's the first time that number changes. And this is Saturday, late morning, noon. Chance of some scattered showers, but not much. So that number we were watching went from 0.03 to a tenth of an inch through the day Saturday. So that's basically saying, yeah, chance of scattered showers Saturday, and maybe around Portland, 5/100ths of an inch could fall. Now, I mentioned a better chance of rain Sunday. And then here we are into Sunday evening. This doesn't pick up a lot more rain, but it does show, I mean, there's 36/100ths now over at PDX and 35/100ths up in Kelso Longview. Again, scattered showers are tough to pinpoint in terms of how much rain you're going to average because some areas get wet, some areas don't. And then here's the rain picking up. This is late Tuesday afternoon into coming into Wednesday morning, and we see the blue colors, and now we're talking upwards of potentially a half of an inch of rain in some cases or more. So that really sets the stage. It's somewhere PM hours of Tuesday into Wednesday of next week is our next big soak. Absolutely is what that basically backs up. Okay, before I show you the forecast numbers, we haven't looked at air mass tracking in a while, hot versus cold, right? And that's what we're doing here. American GFS model. This green color is the cooler air that's over us today, even with partly cloudy skies coming. We're only going to get up to about 70 or 72. And then we're still in the low to mid 70s tomorrow. Here's Saturday, and there's that troughing with cooler weather that gives us a chance of showers over the weekend. And then we have that system coming in Tuesday, Wednesday of next week. See, we're still cool. There's no hot weather. Potentially every single day over the next 7, 8, 9, 10 days is averaging a below normal temperature in terms of what the highs are. Highs are what's the high right now? The normal high right now in the Portland climate book is 78, and we're looking at mostly low 70s more than not over the coming week. So I had been talking about the chance around September 20th or 22nd that we could have another run of maybe some hot weather. Here's September 22nd. The latest models, boy, they like heat where you see the deeper red over the Great Lakes. We're kind of on the back edge of that. You would assume we would be warming up above normal into the 80s, but kind of backing off on whether or not we have a chance to hit 90. And just like that, going into the last days of September, here we are September 26th, we're starting to feed off of cooler weather from the Northwest again. And there's right on flirtation, some hot weather now moving into the Rockies on September 29th. But again, we're on the back edge of it. Tough to tell if we get in on it or not. And then notice we go through the first 5 days of October, just kind of flirting with whether or not we get into warm weather that's built over the Rocky Mountains or if we stay cooler. But nothing, it just screams hot weather. But some days that scream maybe some warm you know, 80-degree temperatures looking down the road. So that's what I'm eyeing. Let's go down south. Medford 70, even Medford, my goodness, 75 today, 83 tomorrow, 81 Saturday. That's nice weather. Chance of showers down south on Sunday, and then rains picking up on Tuesday, Wednesday, and only in the 70s. Kind of what we've been talking about. Here's Bend. Today, 67, 75 tomorrow, 75 Saturday. Chance of showers on Sunday. Again, of the 2 weekend days, Sunday's the better rain chance than Saturday. Monday could be dry, and there's rain chances picking up somewhere Tuesday, Wednesday. That's Bend. The fact that Bend is also showing chances of rain on Tuesday and Wednesday shows you that system next week that I'm tracking is strong enough to push over the Cascades. All right, up in Seattle, let's see here. Chance of showers today, 67. Tomorrow, dry. Chance of showers this weekend, 60s. Relatively cool, but not that unusual for Seattle. There's the likelihood of rain picking up on Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. North Bend, let's check it out. Coast-wise, 60s throughout. A dry Friday, shower chance on Saturday, better chance of a scattered shower on Sunday. And there's that rain Tuesday, Wednesday. So that's North Bend. What about up in Astoria? Yeah, there's the likely rain Tuesday, Wednesday of next week, and a chance of scattered showers over the weekend as well. So pretty much what Portland's been showing. Salem going to mimic Portland for the most part. Scattered shower chance this weekend, better on Sunday than Saturday. Rain picking up at some point Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. And courtesy of Hazeldale Tire Pros up here in Vancouver, here's my 7-day forecast. Spotty shower today. Most of us are just going to see a dry day of partly cloudy skies developing in 72. Tomorrow is interesting because I got 53 in Portland, but there could be upper 40s in parts of the valley. So tomorrow potentially starts off with fog, then clears out through the noon hour. But then at some point in the afternoon, clouds start to increase. And by evening, it's overcast. And then there's at least a chance of a shower scattered Friday evening overnight. There's the ongoing chance of a scattered shower on Saturday. There probably will be some showers scattered on radar Saturday, but it may be so few in number that most of us simply stay dry and partly sunny. Again, Saturday overnight, Sunday. Now I think the showers, if you're out and about and you're spending most of Sunday afternoon outdoors or Sunday morning, there probably will be some showers at least scattered nearby you. Or if you look around, you're like, well, it looks like it's raining over there. So that's Sunday. Monday is a day that might end up being dry. And then right now we're looking at the timing. Does the rain come in Tuesday afternoon? Does it hold off until Tuesday night into Wednesday? We're kind of looking at that timing for that widespread system. All right. If you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do so. It helps me out. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill, and I will talk to you soon.